First, ensure you're using the latest version of the Simple Mobile app, version 5.2 or later. Outdated apps often have bugs that prevent ReUp from working correctly. Clear the app's cache and data, then log back in. This resolves many technical issues. Verify your payment information. Double-check your card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure you have enough money in your account and update any expired cards. Temporary network outages can cause ReUp to fail. If there's a known outage in your area, wait for it to be resolved and try again. Simple Mobile now sends SMS alerts 48 hours before renewal. Make sure you're receiving these alerts and take action if notified of a potential issue. If the basic troubleshooting steps don't work, there are other avenues to explore. Ensure your Simple Mobile account is in good standing. Sometimes account verification issues, like needing to provide ID for high-value renewals, can block ReUp. Contact Simple Mobile support at 1-877-878-7904 to resolve any account-related problems. Understand how ReUp works. It attempts renewal 1 to 3 days before your plan expires. If it fails repeatedly, you might be better off manually renewing via the app or website to ensure uninterrupted service. Consider adding a backup payment method to your account to prevent failures due to a single card issue. Be aware of Simple Mobile's payment processor changes. Since partnering with Stripe, there might be occasional delays, especially during peak renewal times. Finally, if you continue to experience problems, consider reporting the issue to Simple Mobile's support team. They can investigate further and provide personalized solutions. Keep an eye on community forums for shared experiences and potential workarounds from other users.